Hi everyone! South Korea is appreciated around the world how they contain the virus. Well, they did a lot of things. But today, our focus will be how they used artificial intelligence and big data to beat the virus. So, those driving by the road are notified of the nearest drive-through lab where they are tested. Government-run health companies receive information on anyone's contacts, making it bring them under monitoring and test, and easier to track those that had met throughout that moment. AI makes sure fast execution of these steps. Hospitals, ambulance companies, evaluation labs that are mobile depend on IT sector and technology to supply services that are efficient and best. If any infected man worked or resided in a building that was huge, temporary centers are set up there to give all occupants with tests. The government has employed precise design and AI-based law to guarantee supply and distribution of both masks and other preventative items. Each individual has to use their ID cards, buy 2 masks at one time from nearby medicine stores. Even though weeks have passed since the outbreak began in the country, there is no actual noticeable hike in the purchase cost of daily essentials such as oil, rice, baby food, and etc. Government is informed by AI data investigation about clusters of their virus or areas with risk, mobilizing awareness initiatives, and that enabling medical services that are prompt. Mentioning that the amount of all coronavirus patients have been coming down in South Korea, and the government was able to create the situation under control. The premier also announced that the federal government offices will be conducted digitally with both the staff and officials working from your home. As an additional precaution, the simplicity of availability of data has enabled South Korea to define or decide or take initiative on the relevant thing, or decide or take initiative on the relevant facade. Many countries do not have such intricate digital data platform or adequate technological art and logistics. Someone is tested positive for Covid-19. All the people in the area are provided through alarms with the infected man's travel information, activities, and cell maps for the previous 14 days. South Korea additionally introduced cloud-based coronavirus testing, in which an individual drives his car inside a testing lab, gets his samples collected while sitting within the automobile, and gets test results in several minutes. They are immediately isolated and taken to specialized treatment facilities if proven to be infected. Many labs that are drive-through that are such are unusable. Many labs that are drive-through that are such are usable, being conducted with 5G facilities. Provided by mobile operators. South Korea is using information, the study and references supplied by these data, information and all responses have been instantly conveyed to people with software that are different, implementing AI-powered progress warning system, investigation, and monitoring approach. South Korea has been managed to attach the coronavirus situation in the nation. South Korea has been fighting the novel coronavirus by depending upon its technological forte. The United States has an advanced digital platform for big data mining, together with artificial intelligence, and Koreans are contributing the technological front with Samsung.